Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open your primary form and set a responses spreadsheet immediately. This links all data into one place. You do this because later steps reference sheet ID and column headers, so once done, name columns clearly. Make sure to pick whether you will redirect respondents, send prefilled URLs, or use apps script. Each method affects how you pass responses. You're starting with exact column names and the sheet ID. These are the anchors for every link and automation that follows. Now build the actual connector. If you use prefilled links, generate URLs with entry equals field ID and populate values. This preserves answers when jumping forms. Once done, test one sample response to confirm parameter mapping. If you choose app script, write on form submit trigger that reads the response, formats payload, and either programmatically opens the next form or writes to its sheet. Use the sheet ID and header names to match fields. Make sure to log output. Complete the setup by running multiple end-to-end tests. You want to see correct values in both the primary and downstream sheets. Once done, inspect timestamps and unique ID to ensure no duplicates. Make sure to simulate real input with special characters and spaces. If something breaks, check field entry ID or app script logs and confirm OAuth scopes and quotas haven't blocked writes. Finally, set error handling and notifications so you're alerted if future submissions fail. This prevents silent data loss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.